This is a video about how you can live for free. I'm going to show you how you can make a killer passive income source by house hacking. This is Thrive in Life, and in this video, we're going to go over some steps on how you can leverage your current income into cash flow for life. I want to share with you the secrets of house hacking rental properties without too much fuss. And if you're not sure what that means, it's pretty simple really. It just means finding a good deal on a property that can be rented out for profit. Now, some people might think this sounds complicated or hard, but let me assure you, it's actually quite easy, and there are many ways to do this, from flipping homes, buying foreclosure properties cheaply during auctions, and so on. So let's dive in and find out what this house hacking thing is all about. House hacking is a term used to describe purchasing an inexpensive property and having tenants pay for your home's mortgage. This can be done with any type of dwelling, including single-family homes or apartments. Investors looking to do quick fix and flips find this method advantageous. To house hack, investors must live in the properties they purchase, or rent out unused areas like basements, while making improvements on them before reselling them within 2 years after buying it at a market value price. House hacking enables people to focus on growing their real estate portfolio, rather than working full-time jobs and then having to worry about paying rent every month as well. House hackers also benefit from tax deductions, appreciation of property values, cash flow opportunities if they charge market rate, improving credit scores due to increased income potentials, hence making it easier for them to apply for loans or mortgages, among other perks, which makes house hacking worth considering when one wants financial freedom without requiring too much work time commitment. A benefit of house hacking is that you can obtain cash flow, which allows for paying down your mortgage or investing in more rental properties. House hacking is a great choice for investors because they can get financing on an FHA loan to buy their first property. If you invest in a $300,000 duplex with just a 3.5% down, your total investment will only be $10,500, and you'll end up owning 2 properties. House hacking is a great way for novice landlords to get valuable experience with low risk. This includes advertising vacancies, tenant screening, and management, understanding rental agreements and contracts, dealing with unanticipated housing issues or repairs, as well as negotiating contracts and bookkeeping. If you want to receive traditional financing in the future, lenders, like conventional banks, will require that you have experience owning and managing rental properties. They prefer evidence of this prior ownership on your resume or application before approving larger loans for real estate investments, such as a house hacking rentals property. House hacking is growing in popularity among new real estate investors. Not only will you have a great pulse on your property, but you'll also get involved with everything it takes to expand once the time comes. Since this strategy involves living at one of your properties as your primary residence, all of the benefits of owner occupancy are available. The most significant benefit of house hacking is cutting your living expenses. The 30% rule dictates that you should spend around 30% of your monthly earnings on rent, but the US Bureau of Labor Statistics shows this figure is closer to 40%. House hacking can help you build wealth. When it comes to renting, rent disappears monthly into someone else's pocket. Whereas if you own the property, that money paid out goes towards a mortgage and builds equity in your home, which is also part of building assets for yourself. Also, owner-occupiers get better financing terms than investment properties because they are seen as less risky investments by financial institutions. When you house hack, you need to consider everything professionally. Set a lease agreement for your tenant and make sure the market rate is fair while keeping track of all income carefully. House hacking is a great way to get tax benefits as it has many advantages and new opportunities when you become an investor. One of the best parts of house hacking is the numerous deductions that come with being a landlord, such as expenses from renting out your property or losses incurred by selling properties at a lower price than buying for. However, this doesn't happen automatically. If you don't have an efficient system in place, then there's no chance to claim these exemptions on taxes, so make sure all income and expense records are properly maintained. A single-family home is a great housing option for those who want to house hack. There are 2 main requirements. You need enough bedrooms, and you must find the perfect roommate. This can be done by vetting potential renters thoroughly, such as asking them about their interests or professional background, in order to see if they would make an ideal match with your lifestyle preferences. When it comes to renting out a room in your house, whether it's through Airbnb or long-term tenant laws, you should maintain full knowledge of the legal implications. House hacking is a popular option for people who want to buy their own home but don't have the necessary income. You can buy and live in one unit of an attached multi-unit property, while renting out another at market value rates, without needing any down payment or high interest rate. People who find large outdoor spaces could park a trailer, build a small home on the land, or buy an RV to rent out. They must do their homework with their local municipality if they want this option, because not all areas will allow it. For example, don't expect this to be allowed in suburban neighborhoods. Instead of buying a house that you live in, why not try house hacking? Buy an apartment building instead, with only paying $14,000 for the down payment on your mortgage, as well as living in one unit while renting out 3 others that generate $1,200 each. It's possible to make more than $1,000 after monthly expenses. Finally, by following this strategy, not only will you have proven your income stream and paid a chunk of debt off by the time refinancing is possible, but since lenders are now aware that there's equity in both properties, they may be more willing to give you a loan for another property.